Hello, we're back with the answers, or a couple answers for the questions on stationary points and the myimaths task. So, the question 1 states, for each of the curves, work out the coordinates of the stationary point. The stationary point is when the gradient of the point equals 0. So what do we need to do? We need to find the gradient function for each of these and set it equal to 0 so that we can figure out the x-coordinate of the stationary point. Let's have a look at the first one. We're going to do question 2. So, for this one, we need to find the gradient of this function. The gradient is, bring down the 2's. We have 2x minus 3. Okay. 2x minus 3. To get the stationary point, we need to set the gradient equal to 0. So we have 2x minus 3, we need to set that equal to 0. That's the point we're interested in. 2x minus 3 equals 0. Solving this equation, we add 3 to both sides. And then divide out the 2. We end up with x equals 1.5. That's the x-coordinate of our stationary point. The y-coordinate, we have to use the original function here, x squared minus 3x plus 3. We substitute 1.5 back into the original function. We do the math, okay? Following the rules of myimaths, and you end up with 0.75 for the y-coordinate. Okay? So our coordinate is 1.5, 0.75. So that. The next one. Let's look at number 4. Number 4, it's not in the form that we normally would like. We have to do one extra step. The extra step we have to do, we have to expand first. We can't differentiate in this formula, in this format. So, let's expand. Okay, 27 plus 6x minus x squared. We can all expand at this point. Now we do the derivative. Well, the derivative of 27 is just 0. Derivative of 6x is just 6. And minus 2x. We've seen this many times at this point. We want the stationary point when the gradient equals 0. So we have to set our gradient function equal to 0. We subtract 6 from both sides and divide out the negative 2, we get x equals 3. That's the x-coordinate of our stationary point. For the y-coordinate, we substitute 3 back into the original function. I'm going to substitute it back into the first one, up here. So, 3 plus 3 is 6, 9 minus 3 is also 6. So the stationary point is going to be 6 times 6, and that is 36. Okay? So the coordinate of our stationary point for this function is 336. And you can try the other two on your own. If you like, pause the video, try the other two on your own, and here are the answers. Thank you.